Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to the GK class. So, dear kids, today we will start a new topic. So, are you all ready? So, let's begin. So, today's date is 7th July 2020. Day is Tuesday. Subject is GK. And today's topic is important dates. Do you know, children, that there are so many dates which are very important in our life? For example, your birthday date, your mama's birthday date, your brother's birthday date, your sister's, father's birthday date. Okay, dear kids? So these dates are very important in your life. Same way, some dates are very important in our countries also, which we should always remember and celebrate too. So, today we will study about some important dates of our country which have some special occasion and keep an importance. So, let's start. So, dear kids, on your new page, you have to put today's date, that is 7th July 2020, classwork, and the quotation is be helpful. Okay, so write the topic important dates. Now leave one line. So, first date is 26th January. So, what do we celebrate on 26th January? Yes, Republic Day. REPUBLIC, Republic, DAY, Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day, Indian Constitution came into force, and this day is celebrated with a huge parade at Rajpath, New Delhi. See, dear kids, in this picture, our President Mr. Ramnath Kovind is hosting the national flag, that is Tiranga, and a beautiful parade is also there at Rajpath, New Delhi. And look at this pic. Do you know who is she? Yes, our principal ma'am. So you can see in this picture how beautifully our principal ma'am and the teachers and the children are celebrating Republic Day in our school. Now, second is 15th August, and we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. So, INDEPENDENCE, Independence, DAY, Day. Okay, dear kids? So, on this day, our country got freedom from Britishers. I told you in our previous chapter also, na? Yes. So, look at this picture. See, in this picture, our Prime Minister is hoisting the flag. Do you know who is the Prime Minister of our country? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And look, a parade is also there in New Delhi. Okay, dear kids? Third one is 22nd April. So, we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April every year. Dear kids, do you know that our planet is also known as Blue Planet? Yes, but nowadays it's becoming polluted day by day. So, we celebrate Earth Day to create awareness among people to protect our planet Earth. We also give message to the people of the country and the world to keep our Earth neat and clean. See, we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April. Now, fifth one is Teachers Day. Okay, that is 5th September. So, we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. TEACHER''SDAY, Teachers Day. So, fourth one is 5th September, and we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year. Dear kids, do you know we celebrate Teachers Day to show respect and gratitude towards our teachers? Yes, and it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And do you know who was he? He was a great teacher and also the second president of India. See, dear kids, in this picture, we are celebrating Teachers Day in the form of assembly. See, our principal ma'am is lighting the diya and the children are also celebrating Teachers Day. See, at the back they are dancing. Yes. Now next is 2nd October. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Gandhi, Gandhi, Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated all over India to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is also known as Bapu. And we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in our school also. Okay, dear kids? See, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on every 2nd October every year. Okay, dear kids? See, these are the kids of our school and they are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Now the last one is 14th November. So what do we celebrate on 14th November? Yes, a very special day. That is Children's Day. CHILDREN''S Children's Day. This day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our country and he loved children very much. And we celebrate this special day in school also. Do you want to see how? Look at these pictures. See? Yes, teachers are dancing, singing, na? And see, in this picture, our principal ma'am is also there, teachers are also there, and lovely children also. So together we all celebrate Children's Day very happily. So dear kids, let's do the revision. So for today's date, classwork, topic is important dates. First is 26th January, we celebrate Republic Day. Second, 15th August, Independence Day. Third, 22nd April, Earth Day. Fourth, 5th September, Teachers Day. Fifth, 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. And 6th, 14th November, Children's Day. Okay, dear kids, so you have to do this work very neatly in a cursive handwriting in your fair notebook. Okay, dear kids? So that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.